Hello guys, today we are going to review about the A95x Plus TV box, which comes under the 4GB RAM and 32GB memory. The A95x Plus TV box features Android 8.1 OS, which provides you ultra smooth performance and excellent quality. You can also enjoy 4K videos on this TV box. It has features with the 2GB also for the 4GB. You can play songs, videos or anything. You can also search on the internet while using any live TV live channel or YouTube channel. Before we start the review, let's unbox this first. Let's check what's inside the box and what accessories it's have. So this is our A95x Plus TV box, which has the CPU of AMOLED quad core, GPU RAM Develin MP2, RAM 4GB and ROM 32GB. It also have the Wi-Fi 2.5 GHz with Bluetooth 4.2 version. What we have more here inside the box, let's see. Okay, now we have here a one TV box, which comes under the good packaging. And what we have more inside the box is it has the one adapter for the current for the 12.5 input and one HDMI cable for the output, and one is remote control. And other what we have more inside the box is user guideline to see how to use this TV box and how its features and how it's work. Here you can see the Android TV box. It has the Android TV box, power adapter, remote control, HDMI cable, user manual and USB network card, which I think I don't have inside the box. Let's start with the design of this AMOLED. So this is the A95x Plus TV box. Let's talk about the design. It comes with a very slim body, and it also has the black color, which comes traditional rectangle design, which curve edges by different ports on the both sides. On the behind it has the HDMI cable with 3.0 USB cable, also has the 2.0 USB. It also has the DC adapter with AV output. What's written behind the box is TV box model number, RAM and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It has the protector on it. Let's remove it to see the shining. You can see here it's shine very well, and I think it's a black glossy color which is really attractive to the consumer eyes. It also has the great impact on the design. It's a slim like a iPhone or any other slimmest phone. The device is portable and lighter than most smartphone is market value today. It is very lightweight. Let's talk about the features and let's see its output. In the design, it's also have the remote control where you can control your TV box easily by just tapping your finger on the buttons. It has the OK button, up and down, home button and the setting button, power button plus mute button. It's also a really lightweight, and it has the infrared. You can just put AAA batteries here and you can use this very easily. It's a very lightweight and really convenient to use. So let's talk about the hardware of the A95x Plus TV box. Let's talk about the hardware of the A95x Plus TV box. It is powered by the AMOLED S905i2 quad-core ARM Cortex-Y53. It also has the 1.8 GHz with ARM Develin MP2 GPU, which handles its graphics and gives you the smooth performance for the videos and the gaming. It also has the 4GB RAM and the 32GB of storage where you can store your data. You can install many applications from the Play Store and others. You can also boot application from the USB and also from the memory card. Before we start the TV output, let's talk about the feature. It has the 4K Ultimate HD video hardware recording with pre-installed Google Play Store, where you can install your application from the Play Store. It supports many formats like H265, 4K and other video formats. It also has the Android 8.1, or later you can install or you can also update. Let's take a moment of TV output and check the remote control and other accessories, how it's work and how it's giving the performance and the quality. For the TV output, all you need to do is to connect your HDMI cable in the TV box and also from the LED, or also gives the power adapter to the TV box. You can see here the light is turning on. You can use the features of this TV box. Here you can see the TV output. I have installed some app to check the quality and the performance of the TV box. Here I also installed the PUBG and the Subway Surfer. All you need to do is just to connect your internet within the Wi-Fi or any data from the. Here you can see the settings of the TV box, and let's check the quality of the internet browsing. I also have connected my mouse. Let's check out the video. Let's check out the performance of the gaming through the screen recorder I've installed from the Play Store. So guys, all you need to do is to buy this TV box. It is the A95x plus TV box, which comes under the best features and the excellent quality as we discussed in the review. You can easily buy this from the Geek Buying, and this review is from the igeekphone.com. For more reviews, visit our website igeekphone.com. To check the price, you can buy this. It's written in the description. Also has the coupon. You can use the coupon to get the price. This TV box is really worthy to buy because it has the storage, more storage, and the huge RAM. It has the best gaming performance, and also it has giving the high quality. Thank you very much for watching this video.